Hi, I'm Amit and I'm right here at the venue at Shore, and there's lots happening here. So we thought before the Street Play Festival actually starts, before Shore actually starts, we caught up with some very talented theatre artists from IP College for Women. They are right here. Zoom in here. Okay, what's a good name?
Hi, I'm Vaishali Abhivyakti, Suvarna Abhivyakti,
Jagriti Abhivyakti.
Everybody had Abhivyakti. So is that your group name?
Yeah.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, Abhivyakti is the dramatic society of IP College for Women, and they're right here. And let's talk about what they're up to. Oh, so what's Abhivyakti all about?
Okay, so Abhivyakti is a 50-year-old society.
50 years old.
Yeah.
Wow.
We've been in place
Okay.
since 50 years, and we're known for taking up important societal issues. One technique that we're famous for is sarcasm.
Okay.
Our issues are usually, we tackle very important issues in a very funny, light-hearted manner,
Interesting.
so that it reaches people more easily.
Okay.
It's not very hard-hitting in that way, it's more light-hearted and more subtle.
Okay.
That's our technique that we're famous for.
So tell us, I think your play name is Kuch Bhi,
Yes.
right? So tell us something about Kuch Bhi.
Okay, so Kuch Bhi is a play on vigilantism, the
Okay.
ideology that you can take law in your hands to correct all the flaws in the society. So our play's name is Kuch Bhi, that means जो vigilante ideology है वो लोग कुछ भी करते हैं just to attain their perceived justice. So that is about
Okay.
it.
Very interesting and a very different topic. I've not seen a performance on this. So how much time did it take to work on this play?
Okay, so we have been on it since March 2016.
March 2016 to February 2017.
Yes.
Guys, are you noticing there's so much hard work these girls are doing? And let's see, the performance I'm sure is going to be very nice.
Yeah.
So tell us something more. How did it work for you? What were the good times, bad times, difficulties, the challenges, etc. while you were preparing for the play?
So the biggest, like we started in March, we brainstormed a lot of topics, and then we came down to vigilantism. We sat together, we researched really hard, and then when we sat down, like half of the team was convinced that vigilantism is correct.
Okay.
That if something wrong is happening with me,
Right.
why not? Why
Yeah.
not I should be the one to go and correct it.
Absolutely.
So that was the biggest hurdle in this process, that the team was convinced that vigilantism should be there in society. So the transition from seeing vigilantism as the path to justice to performing a play where we feel that vigilantism is so bad that it will result in havoc in the society, and there will be breakdown in the society.
Okay.
So that was one of the biggest hurdles.
Yeah.
And good times, like every time you're standing in the periphery, okay, and you're with your props in the kurta, and you're just standing, and they announce the next college to perform is IP College.
Yeah.
That is the best moment any performer
I
can
understand
have.
that. I understand.
It's a high that lasts for like 20 minutes. You come out of the periphery and you're like, wow.
Wow.
You created magic in there.
Tell me, how many colleges, how many fests have you already performed in?
We've been to like 15, 20-ish.
15, 20 colleges already performed.
Yeah.
Stars they are, yeah? Okay. Okay. So, any experience that you would say, okay, I would want to go back over the last few months and change it to make the performance better?
No, actually.
Not really?
No, because
Okay.
whatever happened in the last few months is what has resulted in this. And
So why
we
would
are
we change
pretty
it?
happy about whatever is happening right now.
Now tell me, are you serious about acting? Are you going to take up theatre for the rest of your life, or is it just the college time?
Okay, that is very subjective here. So I would want to.
Okay.
I would really want to work in the theatre field, in the acting field, but I really want to work behind the camera as well.
Behind the camera.
Yeah.
So guys, are you watching? This is Vaishali and I'm interviewing
Yeah,
her.
just-
She could be the next big thing in Bollywood, theatre, whatever. Okay. What about you?
I'm not really I'm interested in theatre,
Right.
but more in the writing part.
On the writing part.
Yeah, not
so
with
here's
the
a.
acting.
Okay, guys. The script writer is right here. Okay. What about you?
So
I'm also interested in theatre, but I'm not pretty sure that I will continue it or not.
Okay.
But I want to be a clinical psychologist.
Oh wow.
So yeah, theatre and a clinical psychologist is a good match, I guess.
Absolutely, and you know what?
Art
You can
therapy.
still be a part of theatre as an audience. Watching theatre is most important, actually,
Yes,
right? We
yes.
need good audience to actually appreciate
Appreciation.
our work, and it's been awesome interacting with the three of you. We wish you all the best. TheatreKingdom.com wishes you all the very best for future.
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you.